Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I just can't believe that it's already Thanksgiving of 2023. It just blows me away. So we're making some really traditional Thanksgiving dishes, and one of them is a hot spinach and artichoke dip. And you know, this isn't just for Thanksgiving. Spinach and artichoke dips have become extremely popular, it seems, lately, and they're kind of everywhere. In fact, they're now making. Teresa was just telling me they're now making artichokes that are pre-chopped in the can. Now these aren't, we did these in a food processor here, but they're making them pre-chopped in the can, and it says dip ready right on the can of the artichokes. You can get them in the store like that now. So this is just about as easy as it gets, but your friends and your guests that come over don't have to know that. You don't have to tell them how simple it is. But this is one of those just kind of dump and stir dishes. It's so simple. Let's get started. Now I've got a package of spinach. So cook this exactly according to the directions on the package. This is frozen spinach. We cooked it in the microwave on high for about 5 minutes. That's exactly what the package said to do. So we did it. So there's our frozen and chopped spinach. I'm going to go ahead and add that into my bowl. And also our artichokes, mayonnaise, sour cream, and Parmesan cheese. It's all going in together. And we're very simply going to just stir it up like the great Bob Marley once said. Artichokes. Go ahead and get those two things together before I add the creaminess to it. Okay, so I've just added my mayonnaise and my sour cream to my spinach and my artichoke. And I'm just folding it together. And also, I'm going to add in Parmesan cheese. Man, I'll tell you what, I've got a couple of food vices that I really, really like, and I am just such a sucker for cheese. I just love cheese. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I'm going to fold in my Parmesan cheese with my artichoke and my spinach and my mayonnaise and my sour cream. This is not a light dish. Maybe you make this before your heavy work day in the gym. Eat this the night before you go to the gym and have a good workout. Put a little bit of weight on. All right, so that looks really, really nice, and it's well combined and folded together. Making my mouth water. That's always the sign of a good dish, when you're putting it together and your mouth is watering. You know, ooh, this is going to be good. All right, so I've got a casserole dish here that I have lightly sprayed so things don't stick. And in goes my spinach, artichoke, mayonnaise, sour cream, Parmesan cheese concoction. I'm going to put on top pepper jack cheese. Ooh.
A little kick.
Right on top. Yeah, just a little bit of kick. Pepper jack cheese on top. Make sure I get it kind of even all the way across. And that's it. It's that simple. So now into the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And it's going to be beautiful, delicious, and bagel chip ready, I promise. So we'll see you back here in just a minute. Our spinach and artichoke dip has come out of the oven. It is extremely hot, and it smells so good. But I put a little bit on a plate in hopes that it would cool enough for me to taste it for you. Take one for the team. Got some pita chips. I can eat pita chips just kind of plain, though, to be honest. Let's see. So good. But I happen to like all of these ingredients anyway. I love spinach and I love artichokes. And I adore cheese. Mayonnaise and sour cream, I can always make room for them too. So there's nothing here I don't like. I knew that I would like this, but let me tell you, it is super tasty. Your friends are going to love it. So for your next party or football game or whatever you got going on. This is a great, great hors d'oeuvre, or whatever. Anytime's a good time for a hot spinach and artichoke dip. This is a winner, so give it a shot, y'all. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.